Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to install Bluetooth on Windows 11. So what you have to do is just go to the browser and now in the search bar just type Bluetooth driver for Windows 11 and after this just hit enter. Now just click on this first link, Intel Wireless Bluetooth for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now go down. Now just make sure that it is Windows 11 written here, and after this just click on the download button to download the driver. Now just click on this button, I accept the terms in the license agreement. So it is now downloaded. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now just double click on this Bluetooth driver. Click on yes. Click on the next button. Click on next button. Now just select this, I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click on the next button. Click on this complete button and click on the install button. Just click on the finish button. Now just restart your system, and after restarting your system, your Bluetooth driver will be installed in your system. After this, what you have to do is just go to the start button, right click over it and click on settings option. Now just click on Bluetooth and devices option in the left hand side and just toggle this on, this Bluetooth option. Then just click on this option, view more devices. Go down and just click on this option, send or receive files via Bluetooth. And now you can use these two options to send or receive files via Bluetooth. So this is how you can install Bluetooth on Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.